Aye, we're off Whitley Bay anyway. An evening shift, straight after work. Which is why I look like a badger's back end. Finished work, come in, chuck your kayak in the car, go. You are? Go on. There's fish under, we're here. Well, you've got a drum here. There's a blue one behind you. What's going on? Wow, lad, come back. I had one. Aye, well, so we're off Whitley Bay on an evening shift. Nothing yet, but you never know. Do I put some davy lights on my other rod and just let them hang? Do I change colour? I've had a couple of knocks there. Yes, sir! What have we got? Yay! Fish on! It is Coddy. Get in, I'm off the blank. Just a little in, but I'm off the blank. Happy days. I think that's me rod christened. There you go. Like that. Get on. Fish on. Yeah. That's better. Yeah. Whoa. I actually. No, too small, but still. That's mine, that's mine.
Can't really see. I can see something swimming around, but I can't figure out what it is. Massive mackerel.
Aye.
Honestly, I thought it was a salmon for a second. Motorboat and everything. Come back, you little. Gotta lose this.
The big one.
Oh, right through the eye, no wonder.
I'll edit that bit out.
Got a fish on you. Mixed this slack line bitten me there. What the hell's going on here? Something on here was dead weight. I can't spin it. Yes, I have. Oh, size of this squid, mate.
You got it?
Yes, he's just ink everywhere.
Good, good.
Let me get it. Get in, Keith's gonna be gutted.
Get it held up. Was that on the way down or what?
No, he's off the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, something on the bottom here.
Grabbing on everything, man. I think the camera's run out of juice. Size of him. Beautiful, mate. So pull some different colours in there. It's immense, that. Like, what a creature. What a creature. I wish I had my squid jigs. Aye, like I say, this is the spot where you get them.
Is it?
Didn't I? Well, that's what I said to you before, in between the can and the lighthouse, that's where they are.
Aye.
Always round here. I wonder how many you get if you...
Look to your right.
Sorry?
Look to your right.
Oh, that boat head towards the dive boat again, isn't he?
Yeah, aye. Looks like he's just been to the Rex at Blythe. Oh, he's turned. He's turned back.
Kayak fisherman Steve to dive boat in Whitley Bay, over.
Aye. So, I think you're having to start switching to bait now. But
Yeah,
if you've got any... If you've... if you've got any squid jigs, bring some squid jigs. Way, Graham! You've got us a fish! Whoa! Graham! It actually is. It's taking line. You know what? I think there was two. It's gone awfully light. It's a whacking great pollock. Jeez. Graham, you're another one, you see? The way this was fighting, I think I had more than one. There you go, Graham. Aye. It must be about £3.
That's not £3.
It feels it. Alright then, no bother.
Okay, thanks for the offer, mate. Anyway, I'll update you.
Right, cheers then.
Cheers, ta-ra now.
Ta-ra.
Ta-ra.
Missed it!
Isn't that why those boats came in so close there? Because they had to go right far out going from the pier.
Away. Away.
What the hell's that?
It's a whiting.
Bigger one.
Davey got a good in the day.
I like white boats.
It was about £1.50, he said.
It's about as big as they get round here.
Aye.
There's that many of them, but you never get them that big. Harbour's not full of them.
I thought on the way down.
Mackerel.
One lone mackerel. Give her a while. Time to head in. Couple of hours, that's all it was. Lost fish, lost gear, gained fish. It happens. Short and sweet. 2 hours. Every little helps. Steve got a squid. Something else for my bucket list, really. A squid. Actually, never thought you'd get them in the northeast, but I'm hoping it's caught on camera. I hope they've got the camera in the right way, right angle. I think I left my motor here, man, in 5 feet.